Hello everyone and welcome back to Odia eSchool. This video is a part of the series where we talk about the Odia alphabet. And make sure to like and subscribe if you want to keep seeing more of this content. All right, so far we have already gone through our Swaravarna or our vowels and one family of our consonants, which was the Ka family, and consonants are also known as Vyanjana Varna, as you may already know. Okay, so if you haven't seen those two videos, I highly recommend you watch those before continuing with this one. So let's move on to the Cha family. You'll see here that these letters look completely different from the Ga family, and that's because they're pronounced completely differently. So the cool thing about this family is that all of these letters are pronounced by having the tip of your tongue move upwards to touch your hard palate. All right, so I'm going to pronounce these for you. It goes cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Easy enough? All right, so you can also see or hear that just like in the Ga family, the second letter and the fourth letter will have more stress than the letters before. Just like cha has more stress on it than ja, and ja has more stress on it than ja. All right, now we're ready to write some letters.
Welcome to Odia writing session. In our previous sessions, we have learned to write vowels and the letters from Ka family. We also know that writing Odia script is artistic. Combinations of circles, half circles, loops, and lines. Are you ready to write Cha family now? Perfect. Let's start with Cha. A small nice circle and a half circle on the top. Simple and easy, right? Yes, this is Cha. Next letter is Cha. Cha is almost same as Cha. Circle, half circle, and a loop or an infinity symbol at the bottom. Easy and nice, right? Next letter is Ja. A half circle, two lines connected to each other like upside down L, a loop, and another half circle on the top. Little bit hard, but looks pretty, isn't? Yes, this is Ja. Next one is Cha. Looks like Cha. However, a curvy line at the top and a tiny line at the bottom. Okay, this is Ja. The last letter in Cha family is Nya, a very fancy one. One half circle, another half circle with an extension, and exactly the same shape on the top. Yes, this is Nya. It looks fancy, right? Since you already know the vowels, letters from Ka and Cha families, we can able to read many words. Reading is fun, right? Let's give it a try. Chaka, Eka, Kau, Gacha, Gaja. Awesome. We can read so many Odia words. Do we know the meaning of these words? Let's find out and write the meaning of these words in the comment section. See you in the next session where we talk about Ta family.